lovelies, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is the first time you've come across my channel, my name is Lesleyanne and I do a bit of everything, to be honest, on my channel. Very much lifestyle based. Probably got a bit of something for everyone. So if you like what you see on my channel, I'd love it if you would subscribe to my channel. If you want to see more, don't forget to press the notification bell, and if you enjoy the video, give me a nice big thumbs up, because that shows YouTube that you've actually liked my video. So let's get on with this video, shall we? So today I have a subscription box unboxing for you, and today it is, well, I don't know why I'm saying today it is, it's actually the only subscription box I have, and it's the Glossy Box one. So I haven't opened it. It arrived yesterday. So I'm just going to rip it open now. Oh, that's pretty. And inside is the box. Now this is obviously a limited edition box, because generally if they're not a limited edition box, they are pink. But they're still very pretty. If you don't know anything about the Glossy Box subscription service, I pay £10 a month for mine. Well, £9.99 a month for mine, plus £3.95 for P&P. If you want to do a subscription whereby you cannot cancel for 6 months or you cannot cancel for 12 months, then you can get a slightly cheaper subscription rate, but the one that I've got is just one that I can cancel anytime I want to. So I guess I'm paying just that little bit more for it. Okay, let's have another look at the box, shall we? Very, very, very pretty. Aloha. So clearly, because it is the summertime. Very pretty though. And as always, they always come beautifully sort of packaged inside, so you just undo the ribbon like this. These ribbons I always keep and I pop them in my crafting stash, so they always get used. You always get a card to show you everything that's inside and the prices. And then often you get a little peek on the back as to what's going to be in next month's box. So they come with a little sticky label there, which you rip off to open. Very difficult doing it this way. And that is everything that's in the box. So let's crack on, shall we? And I'll tell you what's in here. You know, this is what they look like on the inside, and it does tell you if you've got a full-size product or if you've got you know, like a sample size, and how much everything is recommended retail price. So the first thing I'm going to pick up is Becca Black. Okay, Becca Black Glow Drop Primer. Wherever your summer adventures take you, flaunt a gorgeous dewy radiance thanks to these multitasking glow drops. Not only do they prime your skin and create a glowing base ready for makeup application, but they hydrate your skin too. Simply spread the primer evenly onto your face using your fingertips and apply your base makeup over the top. A hydrated iridescent finish awaits. Recommended retail price is £16, and I have got a full size. Okay, £16 seems quite a lot to me. Okay, they are vegan friendly, cruelty free, so that's good. Rose Pearl is the colour. That's what the box looks like. Let's get it open. Okay, you've got 20 mils in here, so for £16, let's hope they're good, shall we? It's not the sort of thing I'd spend £16 on usually. Well, I wouldn't. Well, I never have, actually. Would I? Maybe if I found something that was excellent. Okay, so let's pop a little bit onto my hand, and okay, so this is what it's like. Excuse my arm, everybody. I've got a broken humerus. If it looks completely out of shape, it is. I'm waiting for surgery. So I've just rubbed it into the back of my hand, as you can see, and it's not too bad actually. I hate the ones that are really, really glowy. Hate them, really. Especially like as you get older, you really don't want that. It just draws attention to your wrinkles, right? But this one, yeah, not bad at all. Still would pay £16 for it though, and that's me being honest. Which is orange juice hand cream. There's no better way to hydrate your skin this summer than with the luscious hand cream that smells of freshly squeezed orange juice. Blending shea butter, chamomile, aloe vera and orange water, this intensely moisturising formula infuses your skin with revitalising nutrients and vitamins that will leave it feeling soft and regenerated. Massage into your hands and nails thoroughly throughout the day when required. Recommended retail price £11.50, and again it's a full size. So we're looking at that one there. Have I paid £11 or more for a hand cream? Probably I have, and I know I have, because I have in the past purchased L'Occitane hand cream, which is amazing, but yeah, not often have I ever done that. Okay, let's get some onto this hand, shall we? Yeah, it does smell of orange water, but very, very delicate smell. And as you can see, it's not going to just run off my hand, so it's a good hand cream. Let's see how quickly this absorbs into my old lady hand, shall we? Probably within a blink of the eye. Feels lovely. Actually, now I've sort of rubbed it in, I suppose you're what they call in the beauty industry crushing the fragrance, is that right? Because the smell of the orange has come out so much more. When I just put a little bit on the back of my hand, it was very, very delicate. It's actually very orangey, and I love it. It feels great. So there you go, that's what that one looks like. Okay, give them La La Beauty. Even if you can't make it to a sandy beach this summer, you can still show off your natural looking sun-kissed tan thanks to this bronzer. Boasting a long-wearing and highly pigmented formula, it glides effortlessly onto your skin. To give you that blonde goddess look, use a large fluffy brush and apply it along your hairline, down your cheekbones and across your jaw. Recommended retail price is £19.80, and it is a full size again. And it's that one there. That's what the packaging looks like, so that's reflected in the actual box of the Glossy Box itself. La Beauty. So many people call me LA, you know, for short, because my name's Lesleyanne and it can be a bit of a mouthful, so I'm often called LA. I don't mind. So it has a nice little mirror here. I'm going to just very gently show you because I don't want you to get any sort of glow back from the camera, and that is what the bronzer itself looks like. So let's see just how pigmented it is, shall we? Oh, quite. Okay, so that's what it's like on my fingers. I'll just do a little swatch on my arm for you. So there you are, you can see what that looks like. But of course, you know, you would use it with a big brush, wouldn't you, and blend it all in. You wouldn't just have like stripes down your body or your face, but that looks very nice. Yeah, very nice. So just going to put the little protector thing back on top, and it just says Ibiza bronzer on the back, so I'm guessing that must be the shade. The Beauty Crop. And it says, achieve a holiday-worthy tropical glow with this multi-purpose balm Formulated with 90% natural plant-based oils, including coconut and apricot oils, its luscious texture not only conditions and hydrates your pout, but also doubles as a creamy blush to add a fresh rosy flush to your complexion. Apply it onto your cheeks, lips or eyelids, then blend it in with your fingertips for a natural radiant finish. Recommended retail price £18, and this is a full-size product. I suppose £18 sounds a lot, but if it's going to take the place of 3 products, then that's okay, I guess. This is in the colour Mauve Wave. Beauty Crop is very pretty packaging, very pretty. And in here you've got, what does it say, how much have we got? 4 grams in here, and it does say on the box, gosh, it's very small for me to read, but I'll try. Cruelty-free, vegan, no parabens, or something, I can't read it, I'm so sorry. No mineral oils or sulfates, and no synthetic fragrance or alcohol, so that's good for your skin anyway. Okay, let's. It's very pretty. I think that would probably suit most skin tones, if not every skin tone, to be honest. I've got lipstick on, so I'm just going to use you to pop some onto my cheeks. Can't really see what I'm doing, I've got to be honest with you. But I'm just going to try and blend a bit. So I'm using the camera, so can't really see properly. But I'm guessing that's probably blended. I shall just pop a little bit on my eyelids for you. Ooh. I do find this sort of colour, if you put it on your eyes, especially if you've got blue or green eyes, it definitely makes the colour pop a little bit more. So forgive me if that's not rubbed in properly, because I have no idea, I can't even see properly. But that's what it looks like, and of course you can pop it onto your lips as well. But yeah, that one's really, really nice as well. So now we have the last item in the box, Star, and it's fruit sliced mask sheet. Say hello to your fresh, healthy summer skin thanks to these Korean face masks infused with either natural strawberry or watermelon extracts. They provide your complexion with an intense burst of moisture and hydration. That helps to protect your skin barrier and feels so refreshing. Apply yours onto clean, dry skin for 15 to 20 minutes, then peel off and massage the excess serum into your skin. Recommended retail price is £4, and of course this is a full size. So once again, Glossybox have been amazing because they have provided, yet again, all full sizes. So this is what it looks like. Mine is watermelon. Okay, not quite sure. Looks a bit weird because it's got like, to see that? But it does say it's a face mask sheet, so I'm guessing the whole thing obviously goes onto your face, and what you end up with is pictures of like little slices of melon all over your face. So there you go, that's the watermelon one. So that's everything. Now let me just have a look on the back to see if there are any sneaky peeks into next month. Okay, next month we'll be celebrating our birthday, and we couldn't be more excited. Not only do we have an incredible box waiting for you, but we've got an even more exciting announcement. A project we've been working on for you for almost 2 years is finally coming your way. Watch out, because Glossybox is about to become bigger and better than ever. Wow. So that's the little insight into next month. So I'm just going to pop off, add everything up, as to what, if I'd bought this, retail price, what it would come to, and then just compare it to what I've paid for. So everything in the box this month comes to £69.30 recommended retail price, and of course I've paid £10 for my box plus £3.95 for my P&P. So yeah, absolute bargain, full size product, so made up again. So yeah, thank you Glossybox, you pulled out the bag again this month. So I will see you in my next Glossybox unboxing in August. Yeah, August. Where's the time going? Talk to you in my next one. Take care my lovelies, bye for now, bye.